Hello, welcome to the channel. I'm Joe and this is William, and we're going on a camping trip on the property up north, and we're gonna do some grouse hunting while we're up here too. You excited? Yeah. It's gonna be pretty cold up here at night. So we've got the old canvas tent and the wood stove. So we're gonna get that all set up. Let's get to work. So one of my goals on this trip is to put up our canvas tent using logs instead of the tent poles that I have for it. That's something I've been wanting to do for a while now, and I want to come out here later in the winter and do something similar. We'll see if we can figure out a way to rig that up.
Don't need this leg then. They're coming for that. This is just for them.
Alright, well the tent's pretty much put up.
Yeah.
It took me about 2 hours to put this up. That includes cutting the poles and getting everything together. I've never done this before, so I think it turned out alright. Hopefully everything holds, but I gotta get the floor put in now, and I brought the wood stove, so we're gonna get all that installed and start getting stuff ready for our sleeping situation tonight.
Yay!
Before I set all that up though, I wanted to show you the outside just so I don't forget. Just so you can see what it looks like. It's not perfect by any means. It's pretty rugged looking, but it's kind of what I was shooting for anyway.
Hi, Dad. Hi.
Hi.
Still. What? Let's take our shoes off. We're still.
What are we gonna do next?
Look for the toilet.
Get a toilet?
Yeah.
Okay.
The toilet's right there.
It is right there. You're right.
The right, Mom. The right, Daddy. The right, Daddy.
Well, as William just mentioned, we need to go get our toilet situation set up. We've been out to this property a few times now, and all we've been doing is just digging a hole. And I got this little like portable camping toilet seat thing, which works really good. And we've got I just bought a pop-up like shower tent, and that works just fine. Doesn't have to be fancy. It's out of the wind. We got a little bit of privacy, and it works fine. So I'm gonna go get that all set up. Alright, next thing on the list of things to do is get firewood. And we're gonna need a lot of it. We need campfire wood and stove wood. So we're gonna go grab a whole bunch of that. Try to find some dry stuff because it rain recently, quite a bit, I believe. Well, we just got back to camp, and pretty uneventful hunt tonight. Didn't have a single flush, which is kind of surprising a little bit, but that's all right. We'd like to get some dinner ready, but I want to get a fire going so we can get some coals nice and hot, and later on we'll transfer the coals into the stove and then get the fire going in the stove so we can get the tent nice and warm. So I'm going to get this wood sawed up first and go from there. Now this is the fire pit we built last time. And I believe it's too small. So I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger.
It's big rock over there.
Mm-hmm.
What was this? Perfect, Daddy.
Perfect. Thanks. Thanks for thinking my fires are perfect.
Now let's get marshmallows.
We don't have any marshmallows.
What? No, stop.
I haven't cooked over a fire in a long time. Okay.
Mine's not broken.
No, it's working.
I see cheese.
See the cheese?
Yeah. Oh, cheese is
Almost there.
Look at the stick.
All right. That one's done. Okay. Soup's done, I think.
It's cheese on the inside, yes.
Cheese on the inside?
Mm-hmm.
I also don't want to burn the thing.
Mm-hmm. There's fishes in the water. Might be swimming and swimming. That's a big hole, Dad. That's a big.
Well, good morning. We had a little bit of a rough night last night. Kept waking up. It'd get cold and the stove would go out, and I restoked it a few times, but Eventually I just let it go out and use the buddy heater instead, which worked pretty well. I'm glad I brought the heater, because I did not have enough firewood for the stove all night long. And also, from the sounds of it, it rained a little bit. Yeah, a couple times. We're gonna just hang out in here for a little bit, probably eat breakfast in here, and then maybe go do some grouse hunting later. Yeah. I got the food. Well, this morning for breakfast, we're gonna make some oatmeal. William really likes oatmeal. And last night, almost the entire night long, whenever I'd wake up, I could hear a grouse drumming off this direction, just kind of off in the distance. That was pretty neat. We didn't see any yesterday, but I know they're around. Just gonna guess as to how much you need in here. It looks right-ish.
My bed in here. Okay.
Smells good, William. How was it?
Good.
Is it good? Alright, breakfast is over and we're gonna hit the woods here. We heard a grouse drumming last night to the south here, so we might just take a walk through the woods and just see what we can find walking through the woods. It's gonna be a little tougher for the little guy, but we'll probably have a better chance of seeing something if we're gonna be in there. You're doing alright. Oh, there you go. Did you hear it? It was right there and I couldn't see it because of that pine. We might kick it up again. That really gets the adrenaline going. Alright, we just bumped that grouse. It was actually right, I think it was right underneath this tree that William's sitting on, and flew that way. So I'm gonna have William sit here for a minute. Okay, I'll be right back, William. I'm gonna go try to bump this thing. I don't think it went very far. Alright. I didn't find it. It's hiding. Grouse are very good at hiding. Yeah. I saw that one on the ground. I don't think I hit that. Yeah, I saw it on the ground, like right up here. I think the tree caught most of my pattern. Yeah, I peppered that tree pretty good. That was a close shot too. Did you see it, William? There's probably grouse all over in here. Okay, let's head back. Alright, so this is a grouse camp, but I have a 3-year-old with me, which makes things just a little bit challenging. So you gotta keep in mind that there's only so much we can do with having a little one around. So we probably won't see a whole ton of grouse on this trip, but we got a shot off. We saw 2 grouse, so that's better than nothing for sure. This is actually part of William's birthday present. His birthday was last week, I think. He's excited to go camping and hunting with me, and I don't want to push him so hard that he doesn't ever want to do this again. So we're gonna do a little bit here and there, and if he wants to build a fire, we'll go build a fire.
Yeah!
Okay. All right. Let's go build a fire, William.
Let's go.
Let's go. Well, I don't think we'll have to worry about running out of firewood tonight. This should be more than enough for tonight.
Well, guys, welcome to the temperate rainforests of southeast Alaska.
All right, let's go. William and I are gonna go do some grouse hunting. I think we're gonna start back here behind camp. One of the first times we ever visited here, I kicked up a grouse up this trail. I think I got one, William. There's two. Where is it? Did I miss? No way. I thought for sure I hit one. I'm gonna have to look around a little bit more. I thought for certain I'd hit one. It should have been right in here. Well, there's a single feather. There's a couple feathers. Well, I don't think I got that bird. I think that's gonna conclude my search. I found about 4 feathers, and that does not indicate to me that it was a very good hit. I'm 0 for 3 today. Well, William, your dad is a terrible shot. Oh, those are pretty.
I think those right there.
All right, nice. That is so sweet of you to pick these for me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's for you.
Very nice. You don't expect there to be a lot of grouse in these maples, but man, the colors are absolutely beautiful. The tops of these trees are red and orange and yellow. The sun coming through really brings out all the colors. Look at this, William. You know what that is? Those are grouse dropping. There's probably a grouse comes up here and likes to drum. This is probably his drumming log. Well, we had 4 flushes today, including that last one that flew out of the tree. So overall, it's not too bad. It's nice to be out here, and it's nice to have something to shoot at too. Yeah, yesterday we didn't see anything, and today we're still able to get off a few shots, even though I missed. That's okay. But right now, it's time to grab some food. This is going to conclude our grouse hunt for this year. It was a lot of fun. I think William had a good time too. Did you have a good time? Yeah? Already looking forward to next year. I was super excited to be able to do the pole frame tent. That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed doing that. And I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. We had a really good time this week. You ready to head home? Alright, let's go home and see Mom. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one.